Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to remove and reinstall Microsoft Edge browser in your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. If you want to remove or reinstall your Microsoft Edge, for that first of all you need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. In left section you can see here Apps. Click on the apps, click on apps and features. Under this search box you need to type Microsoft Edge. You can see here Microsoft Edge. Just click on this three dots and click on modify. Click on yes. You can see repair Microsoft Edge. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall this browser. Your browser data and settings won't be affected. Just click on repair. Guys, it will take some time. After completion of this, just close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can remove or reinstall Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.